It's not time for presents yet, Doggy Go. Santa Claus has to come down the chimney first.
Oh, I just remembered. He won't get down our chimney. It's blocked.
Blocked?
Yes, it's all blocked up with soot. Henry Fix will be coming to clean it after Christmas.
But if Santa Claus can't get down the chimney, how will he deliver our Christmas presents?
Well, he's Santa, so he's probably got his elves to help him. An elf will be small enough to climb in through the letterbox and open the door.
I don't think that's how Santa would do it. He's probably able to make the presents float through walls.
But you don't know?
No, no one does.
Then we have to let Santa know he can't get down our chimney.
But how would we even let him know?
I can send him a letter.
That's a good idea. You write the letter and we'll go to the post office. Santa gets letters all year round.
Maya has written her emergency letter to Santa. But they'll need to be as fast as Santa if they want to send it in time for Christmas.
Dadago, Maya-go, what's brought you two out here on Christmas Eve?
We have to post a letter to Santa right away, Larry sent.
I'm afraid the last post to the North Pole is already gone, Maya, and we're not open again till after Christmas.
So we're too late?
Too late for what?
To let Santa know he can't climb down our chimney to deliver his presents.
Don't worry about that, Maya. Santa will still be able to deliver your presents. See, his sleigh has robot arms that squeeze into tight spaces. That's how I think he does it. However he does it, one thing's for sure, he'll find his way in. Well, good night now. Merry Christmas.
What do we do now, Dada?
I don't know. It's not like we can stay up all night and open the door for Santa.
You're a genius, Dada!
I am?
And Maya's not done with her merry mission just yet. And now she and Dadago are back home, Maya can put her plan into action.
I thought I said we couldn't stay up all night.
But we have to stay up, so we can let Santa in the front door like you said.
Is that what I said? I suppose we can stay up a little while longer.
Looks like Maya and Dadago are in for a long night. Ooh, maybe not that long after all. Staying up past bedtime is harder than it looks, and there's still no sign of Santa. But wait, what's this? It's Santa Claus! How did Santa fit all those presents in there? Maya and her family are going to have a very Merry Christmas this year.
Ho, ho, ho! Milk and cookies!
Santa?
Oh, dear. Phew, I'll just take these for the journey. Ho, ho, ho!
Come on, everyone. Eve.
Ah, magnificent. They don't know their own strength. Finally, they reach the top and...
Ooh, I got you.
Oh, that was close, Dadago.
Great work, everyone.
He's almost as big as me.
He will be even bigger when we put his head on. Perfect.
There we go. Ah, lovely.
Oh, it's Miss Coach, out for her morning exercise.
Well, hi, everyone. That's a great snowman you built.
Hi, Miss Coach. It was quite a workout getting in here.
Oh, my.
Oh, dear.
Stop that snowball!
Oh. Hey, wait for us.
Oh, no. It's a runaway snowman.
Heel, Olympus, heel.
Don't worry. We'll get you back together.
Wow! Uh-oh. Are you okay, Miss Coach?
Oh, yes. Thanks, Maya.
Great galleons. Where did this gigantic ball of snow come from?
It's huge. It was us. We made a snowball and it rolled off the hill.
And got bigger along the way.
Wow! We were going to make a snowman.
Maybe it can still be a snowman.
He's looking better already. This will make a cute button.
Very smart-looking buttons. And we're all done. Only one thing left to do.
How can we lift a big head up there?
Don't worry, I'm coming.
Oh no, not another one.
Watch out below! Oh!
That's perfect.
Yes, I meant that to happen.
Now I want each of you to ski forward, then try and make the triangle shape to stop yourself. Like this.
Now it's the children's turn.
In your own time, Tommy. Just relax.
Whoa! Whoops! Here we go!
Watch where you're going, Tommy.
Oh no!
Oh, Tommy, stop!
Slow down, Tommy.
I'm trying! Uh-oh!
Oh dear, look out for the hump, Tommy. Oh, Miss Peach didn't show Tommy how to do this. Tommy has lost a ski.
Look out for that shed.
Stop!
Are you okay, Tommy? I thought you were going to crash.
Me too. I was trying to do everything we learned, but I couldn't do it all at the same time.
Well, there are quite a few things to get the hang of with skiing.
You did really well with just one ski, though, Tommy.
It was sort of better. With one ski, I only had one thing to think about.
Miss Teach, is there a way Tommy could go skiing with only one ski?
I'm afraid not, Maya. Except, maybe there is.
I wonder what Miss Teach means by that.
Here we are.
What is it?
It's a snowboard, sort of like a skateboard for the snow.
That's perfect. You're good at skateboarding, Tommy.
But what if I'm not any good with this, like I was at skiing?
You won't know until you try, Tommy.
Okay, I'll try it.
Yay!
Soon the class take to the ski slope to put their skiing skills to the test too.
Whee!
Nicely done, girls.
Look, everybody. Wow, that was really good, Billy. That's my best trick ever.
Tommy Stop is up next.
Don't worry, Tommy. You can do it. Go, Tommy. He's really good. He's going really fast, too. Here comes the hump, Tommy. That was amazing.
It was lots of fun, too.
Rudolph, ho, ho, ho. Stop right where you are. That one.
Really? Are you sure, Maya? I mean, what makes this one so special?
It's like what you said about meeting Dada. When you know, you know.
Right. Well, we better go down to tell Bruce and Holly Green that we found the one we like.
Wait! How will they find our tree again? I can't leave it. Uh-oh. I know what to do.
It looks like Maya has had an idea. What on earth is she doing with that ribbon belt?
Here, Maya, let me help you.
Ha-ha! Now Maya's tree really does stand out.
It looks so lovely. Maybe we could bring our tinsel and furniture and couch and chairs and TV up here instead.
Oh, I think we'd all turn into icicles if we did that, Maya. Where's Doggy Go gone? Doggy Go!
Ho, ho, ho. Oh, Rudolph gone.
Doggy Go! Whoop, be careful. It's hard to run downhill when the ground is this slippy.
Yay!
That's not the kind of sleigh ride I was expecting to see today. Back at home, the tree is up, and Maya is carefully putting on the finishing touches.
It really is the perfect tree, Maya.
Well, you know what they say. When you know, you know.
Well, it certainly looks like it will be happy holidays for Maya and Sammy this year.
I really love this time of year so much. It gives me a twinkly feeling inside.
Time for me to hang up my stocking.